Alright guys, the customer just brought in these side tips. It should be a pretty simple job, so the first thing I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start stuffing them down. Alright guys, so I'm already going to start sanding this down, but what I noticed right here is that here, the paint's already coming off. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to sand it all the way down to the metal, and I'm going to add some edging primer, and it should be pretty simple. The rest looks clean, it doesn't look like the paint's coming off, so yeah, let's get to that. Alright guys, I'm pretty much done here. All I'm going to do now is I'm clean it with paint thinner, and I'm going to start shooting on the Raptor. Alright guys, we're already done cleaning them with paint thinner. We've already let them dry for a bit, and now it's time to shoot out the Raptor. But I am still learning how to do it, so I'm not going to shoot out the Raptor myself. I'm going to have my cousin Rolly over here do it for me, because I'm still learning, and I don't want to mess up the customer side steps.
Alright guys, so let's just get to it. Alright guys, that's the first coat. We're just gonna let them sit there and dry and come back and give it the second coat. Alright guys? Alright guys, so we're gonna let them sit there and dry. All we're gonna do now is just give it the second coat, which is the texture. Alright guys, that's the second coat. Guys, please make sure to get the bottom part, which is mainly going to be all this right here and this part, because that's where all the water, dirt, mud is going to be collecting. So that's where you're going to want to be protected more. I know that this part is going to be what people are going to be seeing the most, which is going to be really looking nice, but please make sure to get the bottom, so when the water, the dirt, the mud gets stuck on there, it won't come off, guys. So please make sure to get the bottom. Alright guys, but that's it for the second coat.
Guys, we're done with these. These came out really nice. I think the customer is really gonna like them. Scott, if you guys need anything done, please hit us up in the email below. Look us up on Facebook, give us a call, and please like and subscribe.